Stop letting sluggish calculations and tiny, cramped graphing screens slow your momentum during high-stakes exams. Welcome back. If you're trying to find the absolute peak of modern math and engineering hardware, the Texas Instruments TI-84 Evo Graphing Calculator, White, is the ultimate, next-generation upgrade to the legendary textbook icon. This isn't just a minor cosmetic refresh. It is a complete processing overhaul. The absolute showstopper feature for the TI-84 Evo is its expanded, high-resolution color screen designed for bigger graphs and split-screen data modeling than its predecessor, the TI-84 Plus C. Texas Instruments engineered this model with an upgraded high-speed core processor, drastically slashing the rendering times for complex 3D graphs, intricate statistical calculations, and heavy algebraic equations. It responds with absolute immediacy, ensuring you aren't stuck waiting for pixels to load while the test clock is ticking down. What makes the TI-84 Evo a masterpiece for 2026 students and professionals is its forward-thinking modernization and versatility. It steps confidently into the modern era by replacing old proprietary ports with a universal USB-C fast charging and data transfer port, meaning you can juice it up using the exact same cable as your phone or laptop. For future computer scientists and engineering majors, the native, robust Python programming ecosystem allows you to write, test, and run clean code right on your desk. Wrapped in a stunning, minimalist Arctic white chassis with tactile, responsive keys, it remains fully approved for major standardized tests, including the SAT, ACT, and AP exams, while delivering a vastly superior, future-proof academic edge. Click the link below for the best price and supercharge your STEM workload today. If this breakdown helped you find the perfect calculator upgrade, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the educational gear that helps you excel. See you in the next one.